Welcome, first graders. So, going on to our worksheet here. So, with this worksheet, it says, which word makes sense? That's the worksheet that you should have. Don't forget your name at the top. Our directions say, read the sentence. Okay. Select the correct word from the box to complete the sentence. Okay, so there's this box that's going to go with number 1. All right. Write the word on the line, writing on this line here, and then reread the completed sentence and scoop into phrases. So we're going to do number 1 together. Number 1, the sentence says, were the kids on the, you see how I reread it? Were the kids on the, which one makes sense? Were the kids on the rock? Were the kids on the rocks? Does that make sense? Were the kids on the rocks? Okay. Now, our other one that we could choose is, were the kids on the blocks? So which one would make sense? Were the kids on the rocks or were the kids on the blocks? I think rocks would sound better, right? Because kids can go on rocks, you can go climbing, and it just makes sense because locks, it could be talking about a padlock, it could be talking about locks in your hair, okay? Different kind of locks. So rocks, we know what rocks are. Were the kids on the rocks? And a question mark here, so our voice tone kind of goes higher because we're asking a question. Now, we're going to do our phrasing. Were the kids on the rocks? Okay, so practicing reading with fluency. How would I say this to someone if I was talking? Were the kids on the rocks? Right? So if I was asking someone, were the kids on the rocks? You see how I pause there? So we're going to do, were the kids on the rocks? There we go. So we have 2 scoops to help us read with fluency. So you're going to do that throughout the rest of your paper on number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right, then on the side, go ahead and circle the word you chose. You can cross out the other one so you don't get confused, okay? Now, turn this into your teacher. Thank you very much for joining me with this, and I hope to see all of your papers, or to see that everyone has done their papers. All right, bye guys.